Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're on the hunt for your dream job, you're in the right place. Did you know that AI can make your job search 10x easier and faster? Yep, you heard that right. Today, I'm sharing 10 game-changing AI tools that will help you stand out, save time, and land that perfect job. Whether you're updating your resume, prepping for interviews, or networking on LinkedIn, these tools have got you covered. Let's dive in. Alright, let's get started with the first tool. 1. Easy Tracker. This is your ultimate job application tracker. It helps you keep tabs on all your applications, gives you insights, and keeps everything organized in one place. No more spreadsheets or missed deadlines. Check it out at the link in the description. 2. Better Pick. First impressions matter, right? Better Pick turns your selfies into professional headshots. Perfect for LinkedIn or your resume. Say goodbye to expensive photographers. 3. Interview Sidekick. This is your personal AI interview assistant. It gives you real-time help during interviews by knowing your background and the job description. It's like having a coach in your pocket. 4. Cover Letter Copilot. Struggling with cover letters? This tool writes them for you in under a minute. Just upload your resume and the job description, and you're good to go. 5. Taplio. Want to grow your LinkedIn network? Taplio uses AI to help you connect with the right people and boost your visibility. Perfect for building your professional brand. 6. Before Sunset. Job searching can be overwhelming, but Before Sunset helps you plan your day smarter. It customizes your schedule so you can stay on top of applications and interviews. 7. Job Hunt. This AI-powered resume builder and job application assistant will help you get hired faster. It optimizes your resume and even helps you apply to jobs in just a few clicks. 8. Engage AI. Networking is key, and Engage AI helps you build meaningful relationships on LinkedIn. It saves time and boosts your chances of landing referrals. 9. Udly AI. Want to ace your interviews? Udly AI is like Grammarly for your speech. It gives you private, real-time coaching to improve your communication skills. 10. Flex Jobs. Looking for remote work? Flex Jobs is the go-to platform for finding legit remote jobs. No scams, just real opportunities. These tools are absolute game changers, especially if you're targeting jobs in the United States. They'll save you time, help you stand out, and make the job search process way less stressful. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description below. That's it for today's video. If you found these tools helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who's job hunting. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Good luck with your job search. And remember, if you need guidance, drop a comment below. Let's crush this job search together. Like, subscribe, and share.